Let me show you how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. Now, if you're on YouTube and maybe you started to watch a video, but you didn't finish it, or you just wanted to go back and watch it again, I'll show you how to find that entire list. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now let's open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or even a computer. And let's say we started watching a video and you exited out of it, but you want to go back and be able to watch that video. You can easily do so by getting into your settings. So let's go to the settings of your iPhone, Android, or again, a computer. This is within your YouTube account here, and you'll be able to see a bunch of information in addition to managing your history. This is your YouTube watch history. So it does keep a record of every video you watched, including that one that I just clicked on, how I learned to edit my videos. Now on here, you can just tap on it to open it up again and watch it again. Or you can tap on the little X here if you wanted to delete that from your watch history. Now, the nice thing in addition to that is we can go through the process of deleting your entire history for today, for a specific time range, or all time. Let's say I wanted to delete my entire watch history. All I need to do is go through the process of deleting that. However, I would also recommend going through the process. I have it set to auto delete my entire history after 3 months. So you might want to go in and set it either to 3 months, 18 months, or up to 36 months. And this will automatically delete that entire history after it gets to 3 months. So you don't need to manually go in here. In addition to those, of course, you can go through and basically change all these controls. In addition to interactions, these are videos that you liked or commented on or chatted on. Essentially, you can go into any of these and you can remove that like or just delete that like on that video.